Hi Tmits, I hope you are doing well. Thank you so much for being here today. So I was setting up this area here and then I was thinking to myself, oh my goodness, what the heck am I doing? I feel a little overwhelmed and I don't know where to begin. I have so many things going on in my head that I just don't know where to begin, and I told myself, let's just start. Let's just go. And so this is going to be a very, very chatty and crazy little video, I think, and I'm going to be rambling a lot. I don't know if I have enough memory on my cell phone. So I guess I'll finish whenever it cuts off. So it's already December and I haven't started decorating my December daily journal, which is okay. There's no rush. I don't want to give myself pressure. Like every year I would, try my best to film every day or at least a couple times a week, like a December daily type of video or like a December journal with me video, and I really don't want to pressure myself this year. So yeah, let's just, I guess, play. I'm going to be working in this junk journal. I started this junk journal in July. I was following Meg Journal's Junk Journal July Challenge. Then this year she's doing a collab with My Green Cow. My Green Cow and Meg Journals is now doing a journal challenge video collab, and it's called the hashtag 12 days of journaling. Actually, I'm a part of this journal challenge and I was filming and I was talking to you and realized I was sharing with you my creation. So so this is the junk journal that I will continue using for December. There are less than 30 pages or 25 pages remaining in this journal, so if I need more space I'll just tip in a couple of extra pages. I don't think I will need it, but there's that. And then it's being housed in this beautiful, it's not really showing, this nice olive colored traveler's notebook by Speckled Fawns. I did a video on it if you are interested, and it fits perfectly. I just had to reinforce here with some washi tape, you can see there, so that it doesn't tear further. The washi tape doesn't stick very well. I'll have to get a stronger type, or I'll just add some packing tape later on. So I'm going to, what should I do? Yes, like I said, I feel really lost. I also want to add some bits into my hobonichi because I'm rather, I'm really behind, not really behind, but I still have blank pages to complete and we are in December already, and so if I have time I'll do that as well. I already stuck in this sticker sheet that I really want to start using for autumn. And then this one is for Christmas time. I want to use this really cute one as well. So it's going to be a very chatty, and I really don't know where this is going, so I apologize. This is my December daily box, and I'm trying my best to use it up. And so you'll see the same items that you've seen last year and possibly from the year before. Last year I did some printables from American Crafts. They had a really cute Christmas set. Oh, I don't remember the name of it. So there are some pieces that I ended up printing on some overhead sheets, and so maybe I will tip these into my hobonichi. I think this colorway is more like hobonichi type of colorway. It's not so much vintagey, but I can also put it in here. But it's so cute, and I still have some stickers from Anna Brimble's. This is from last year. I did a free printable, and some Courtney Diaz stuff as well. And this is going to take a long time if I flip through the whole thing in this box. So I don't think I ended up using any of these fabric pieces. I wanted to use these fabric pieces for like tabs and things, and so I'll definitely be doing that. Some die cuts that I've kept in here, some more printables down below, and I wanted to use, now that I'm seeing the box, I should have opened up the box prior to setting up my junk journal for December. Last year I told myself I wanted to do the December daily in here in this journal, which it was created by, I think her name was Helen. Oh gosh, if I remember the Instagram name, I will leave it linked. I feel really strongly about crediting the correct person. So maybe if I have overflow from here, then maybe I will journal in here. I think I have to remember to open up my December daily box prior to December. I see that there are some cards and things from last year, so maybe I'll do that. I'll put in some holiday cards. So maybe that's what I'll do. Like I'll stick in some of the holiday cards in here because it's very, very expandable. There's a lot of room in there, so maybe that's something that I will do. So I will leave this out so that I don't forget. But yeah, there's just a lot of things you can see here. Some papers and holiday stuff. So I won't be going through every single thing, or that will take a very, very long time. And then this is a really special gift from 515 blog. And I use this every single year since I received it several years ago. And let me see where oh, here it is. Oh no. Yes. And so it just holds a lot of sweet Christmas things, and if I can't open this box up because of my limited space, like I can't do this setup every single time. This is my dining room table, so I will usually just carry this little folder with me and then my journal, and then I'm good to go. So I might refill it with some things a little bit later on, but it has a lot of just some essentials, I guess, some things that I can use in my junk journals. All right, so let's begin. I don't know where to begin, to be honest. Let's decorate then. Let's do a bit of pre-decorating, and let's just use this journal here, or this folder here, the ephemera that's included in the folder. Let's do that. And if I need to, actually, I think I'll do the fabric pieces later. I just really need to remember to use the fabric pieces. And there's just all these lovely bits. This is so sweet. Oh, I think I'm going to use these for the gifts this year. I'll take them out. But yeah, there's just all these beautiful things in here. So I'm just going to leave it at that, and I'm going to put this up a little bit so that you can see what I'm doing, hopefully. Okay, so let's chat. I guess we can chat now that I've cleared that out. Let's do some decorating and chatting, and yeah, I have some glue. I think my daughter was using that one. So I gotta make sure I keep this part closed. I did I did print out some photos that are kind of Christmas themed. This year, I've already started, I've already received some of the books that I want to give to my kids. So I'm very, very happy about that. And yeah, so let's decorate. The items in here are not specific to Christmas, I don't believe, so I'm going to leave this off to the side. I want to decorate more like Christmas stickers and washi tape, so let's bring this out here. So what have you been up to? I need time to sit down and go and just breathe a little bit. I feel like I'm go, 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 rush, rush, rush. And maybe it's just the mentality here in Japan. Everything is just so fast-paced for me sometimes. or maybe I'm just putting that on to myself. I don't know, but even when, so the other day I had to visit Tokyo. I had to go into the city, and that makes me very, very anxious. I'm scared that I'm going to miss a train, or if I miss a stop, or I take the wrong train and then it takes me somewhere else. The metro and the train system here is crazy. And I guess for people that are used to taking the train, it's not a big deal, but there's just so many train lines. I don't know how many, but there's just, it's crazy. And the trains are on time almost all the time. So if I'm like 30 seconds late, then I'm going to miss the train. I mean, it comes again. It's not like a big deal. But then I have my whole itinerary. So if I miss that train, then the next train I'm going to take is a different train, and then I'm going to have to I have to research again which train it is, because if I take the wrong train, it might take me to the wrong spot. And so I get so anxious about not missing the trains. And then I take screenshots of several ways to get to my destination. I'm such a worrywart, and that really drains me. And yeah, so I've been having to travel into Tokyo quite a bit recently, and I mean, it's a good thing to, you know, leave my comfort zone and kind of travel a bit. But yeah, it just takes a toll on me mentally when I have to get into the city. So yeah, let me know how or what you're up to. What are you working on today? I think I will maybe work on some of these, or actually I'm not going to work on the challenge. I think, like I said, I'm just going to pre-decorate some bits. I'm not going to stick these photos in yet either, because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, and I don't want to push myself too much. So let's grab some washi tape and just pre-decorate a little bit, and just have a nice, slow, relaxing I know that sounds a little crazy, because you know, there's people that go to work into Tokyo all the time, and it's not a big deal at all to take the, you know, the transit or the buses or the trains. But for me, I just need a little bit of time to unwind and then get back out there again. I don't know. I'm not sure if this is where I'm not entirely sure why the phone keeps going in and out, but that's probably a cue that I'm going to be finished soon, or the memory is going to, I think it's my phone. It's very old. It's the iPhone 7, and I know I need to update it, or like I keep losing like the connectivity. Sometimes I'm at the store and I need to pay. I usually use my iPhone to pay, and there are many times I'm at the cash register. I'm so sorry that my phone keeps cutting out in this video. It's probably really annoying to watch, so I really apologize for that. I will try my best to try and edit better next time. It was difficult to try and piece it together because the phone kept turning on and off. But anyways, here's a close-up of what I ended up doing with some of my pages in the junk journal. It is well almost it's well into the first week of December, and I haven't really touched my junk journal, so I hope to catch up with that maybe this weekend. I peeled off this gold label and I ripped in half, but I will definitely journal about it in my junk journal. Okay, I really appreciate you so much for being here. I hope you are doing well and staying safe. I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.